Hi everyone, I am Srisha. This is your third lesson in grade 3 social science. Today's chapter is rotation and revolution. Before we start our today's topic, shall I recall your new words? Rotation. R-O-T-A-T-I-O-N. Rotation. R-O-T-A-T-I-O-N. Rotation. R-O-T-A-T-I-O-N. Rotation. Revolution. R-E-V-O-L-U-T-I-O-N. Revolution. R-E-V-O-L-U-T-I-O-N. Revolution. R-E-V-O-L-U-T-I-O-N. Revolution. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Orbit. O-R-B-I-T. Orbit. O-R-B-I-T. Orbit. O-R-B-I-T. Orbit. Axis. A-X-I-S. Axis. A-X-I-S. Axis. A-X-I-S. Axis. North Pole. N-O-R-T-H. North. P-O-L-E. Pole. North Pole. N-O-R-T-H. North. P-O-L-E. Pole. North Pole. N-O-R-T-H. North. P-O-L-E. Pole. North Pole. South Pole. S-O-U-T-H. South. P-O-L-E. Pole. South Pole. S-O-U-T-H. South. P-O-L-E. Pole. South Pole. S-O-U-T-H. South. P-O-L-E. Pole. South Pole. Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. Planets. P-L-A-N-E-T-S. Planets. P-L-A-N-E-T-S. Planets. P-L-A-N-E-T-S. Planets. Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. Light. L-I-G-H-T. Light. L-I-G-H-T. Light. L-I-G-H-T. Light. Day. D-A-Y. Day. D-A-Y. Day. D-A-Y. Day. Night. N-I-G-H-T. Night. N-I-G-H-T. Night. N-I-G-H-T. Night. Now we are going to take a recap about your previous topic. What did you learn in your previous class? Shall I tell you? Rotation and revolution. Am I correct, children? Rotation and revolution. We know that the solar system consists of the sun and the 8 planets along with their moons. Let us now understand the movement of these planets in the solar system. Have you ever played with a top? How does a top move? A top spins and also moves around the floor. That is exactly the way all planets move in the solar system. The only difference is that the top does not have a fixed path of movement, but the planets move on their fixed path called orbit. Now we are going to see our today's topic is rotation. Rotation is the process or act of turning or circling around something. An example of rotation is the Earth's orbit around the Sun. One more example of rotation is a group of people holding hands in a circle and walking in the same direction. Rotation. Each planet spins like a top on its axis. An axis is an imaginary line passing through the center of a planet. The 2 end points of the axis are called the poles. There are 2 poles, the North Pole and the South Pole. The axis of the Earth is tilted at an angle. The spinning movement of the planet on its own axis is called rotation. The sun is in a fixed position in the solar system. As we know, the Earth revolves around the Sun and it is also rotates on its axis. The rotation of the Earth causes day and night. Let us understand this process of day and night by doing an activity. Take a torch and a ball. Now, rotate the ball in front of the torch just like the Earth rotates around the Sun. We see that the portion of the ball which is in front of the torch receives the light and the other portion remains in the dark. This is what happens when the Earth rotates. The half of the Earth facing the Sun receives its light, but the other half does not receive any light and so it remains dark. As the Earth rotates, the part of the Earth facing the Sun turns away from the Sun, while the part which is away from the Sun turns towards the Sun. The half of the Earth facing the Sun as day and the other half which is away from the Sun as night. That is how we have day and night. The length of day and night changes all through the years because the Earth's axis is tilted on one side. The North Pole and the South Pole each have 6 months of day and 6 months of night because of the tilting of the axis. I hope that you understand our today's topic. Now I have planned to give you few questions for recollect our topic. Those who have concept book and workbook, complete in it. Others, use your notebook. Refer your concept book in the page number of 33 to 35 and refer your workbook in the page number of 28 to 32 and answer the following questions. Here I have planned to give you a practice zone 1 in the concept book page number 34. Your first question is, note the time of sunrise and sunset and write them down in the space given below. Note the time of sunrise and sunset and write them down in the space given below. Your second question is, define rotation. Define rotation. Your third question is, explain how days and nights are formed. Explain how days and nights are formed. Your fourth question is, define axis. Define axis. Your fifth question is, the rotation of the earth causes dash. The rotation of the earth causes dash. Your options are A, day and night, B, seasons, C, eclipse. Your options are A, day and night, B, seasons, C, eclipse. Today we are going to do an activity with your family members. Refer your concept book in the page number of 35 and answer the following questions. Do and document. Hold a globe in front of a torch. When you rotate the globe, observe how the sunlight shifts from one place to another. Stop the globe at any point and note the names of 3 countries that have day and 3 countries that have night. Give your answers in the respective columns. Countries that have day, countries that have night. Okay, children. I hope that you are going to enjoy this activity with your family members. I'll see you in my next class. Thank you.